where are we going?
We're going to
Isla Mujeres.
Yes.
Which is in front of the Cancun city.
I wanted to say something about this Isla Mujer, the island of the goddess Ixchel, which is the goddess of moon, water, women, and everything which is very like delicate and touchable.
I hope you enjoyed the day with us, guys, and we can't wait to see your reactions.
Turn your face toward the sun, let the shadows fall behind you, and don't look back, and just carry on, and the shadows will never find you. So yeah, the killer is this waiting time and driving. Oh my god.
So guys, we arrived in Cancun port. Look how beautiful over there is. This is the ferry that is gonna take us to the Isla Mujeres. So beautiful. And the prices include a little breakfast. We had coffee and a banana, very healthy. So that's our boat for today, guys.
Not a disappointment.
I cannot use his tail.
I can use my mermaid tail.
Even
though I have a certificate, they don't care because it's a rule, and it's all about health and safety rules and regulation. And basically, if you want to use your mermaid tail, you're not allowed because you need to have safety jackets.
Yeah.
And if someone don't have a safety jacket, he can lose his license. So I don't want to make someone problems.
We will swim later on the beach.
I hope so. I will have a possibility, because if not, I will be a little angry.
So guys, we're almost in Isla Mujeres. The snorkeling was really good.
Amazing,
We saw lots of fishes.
beautiful.
I hope you can hear us.
We are excited.
Yes.
The water is magical. And then experience so far really beautiful. Yep.
So guys, we're going to eat. Our first stop is the restaurant.
We go to eat.
We're going to have some lunch. We're going to some kind of mangroves, kind of like an island.
Yes. We are going to the restaurant to do mangiante.
So I got some fish, rice with beans.
This one, the sauce with chicken.
And did you have to pay anything extra?
No.
Everything is included?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
A few moments later.
Inside the beach club,
Yes, we're going to see
other buffets over here. And then included in our boat tour, we also have the entrance to the beach over here. Okay guys, we're going back to the boat.
the lunch was exactly the same with everywhere else, which means
Plain.
chicken and
I
rice.
think what they do, they just cook everything with no taste and then just add the sauce.
Yeah.
Because anyway, even if you add the spicy sauce, you
Yeah.
can't taste anything. So
Yeah,
you
yeah,
might as
yeah.
well not cook nice.
No, I mean there is a taste. It's just no, it's, you know, it's a characteristic taste. Oh my God! Look, mango. driving to the beautiful beach, where I will be swimming with the fishes. Watch here, yeah. It's like a little village town.
So we arrived here. There's a few options you can do. You can go to the beach
Yeah.
as a free time. You can go and do some shopping, or you can rent one of these cars
Which costs
and
$40 for
per
one.
hour. So we decided to go to the beach, and we have three hours to enjoy ourselves. I mean, there's lots of things to do. The shops are quite cute. Look at this little alley. Look how cute. This island is beautiful.
It's cute. I'm criticized.
Welcome to paradise. Beautiful, guys. Amazing. In the end, we decided to come to this beach. It's called Mia Reef Oasis. It's like a little lagoon. It doesn't seem to be on the beach. Basically, you're surrounded by coral reef and lots of fishes, and the waters are quite shallow, like for families and kids, and if you want to enjoy a little swim without going too deep and too far. It's beautiful though. It's paradise. Lots of palms, as you can see behind me. It's absolutely beautiful.
Perfect night tonight.
Well, guys, we stopped in Miguelito, who was just behind us, who's preparing the mangos preparados. Mangos preparados. What it is basically chopped mangoes, and on top they put some kind of like a spicy salt and a sauce. So it's kind of like sweet and savory at the same time.
And then a little bit of sourness.
We paid $5 for it, which is 100 pesos. Let's try it.
How is it? Oh wow.
It's nice. Very, very nice. I mean, you have this really salty taste, but then the sweetness of the mango kind of washes away very easily.
Yeah, but it's
Really
giving
good.
It's giving you extra flavor.
Yeah,
So good.
approved. 100 pesos.
Worth it.
Approved. From 1 to 10, how good is your mango?
10.
It's our time to go. We live in the island. We go back to Cancun and then we go back to a little one.
Playa del Carmen. Party time, guys. Party.
Okay guys, this is it.
That's all, folks.
The taxi is about to arrive. We're
Yeah.
back to the hotel. The day is finished.
Fortunately.
I hope you enjoyed it.
So, hopefully we will have enough to show you mostly nature.
Snorkeling was very good.
Yes. That were eating too. That was the party on the boat was amazing. The people on the boat was
The
amazing.
name of the company is called Convoy Tours. I recommend them for
Yeah.
visits here in Isla Mujeres and all around the Cancun area.
Yeah. And you won't just go to the beach and you need too much like deep water, then you'll be super satisfied. If you need a little bit deeper water, then you need to look in something. But I'm sure you will find something there.
Great experience.
So,
Leave your likes, guys,
leave your likes.
and let us know
Share.
of the band.
Yeah. Let's see.
Bye bye. Till the next trip.
Comments are welcome.